With the internet, we can communicate with others in new ways. For example, instead of sending a letter to someone using traditional mail, you can send an email or electronic mail. Let's look at how email differs from traditional mail. When you want to send a letter or package, you usually have a few options for which mail carrier you'll use. With email, you also have a variety of providers to choose from, and you can sign up for one of these services for free. One of the most popular email providers is Outlook, but there are several others. The first thing you'll do when sending an email is compose it. Instead of using a pen and paper to write your message, email providers have composing tools that make it easy for you to write, edit, and format your messages using text, images, videos, documents, and more. Next, you'll need to decide who to send your message to. When we send traditional mail, we need to know the name and physical address of the recipient. With email, every email user signs up for a unique email address. Each email address includes a username, the @ symbol, and the name of the email provider's domain. For example, someone named Jacob Hayward, who signs up for an email account with Outlook, might use the email address jacob.hayward@outlook.com. When you know someone's email address, you can type it into the header of your message and send it to the recipient instantly. The message will travel electronically over the networks that make up the internet and will typically arrive at the person's email inbox within minutes, sometimes seconds. This makes email a much faster way to communicate than using traditional mail. You can receive emails to your online inbox from anyone who has an email account, even if they don't use the same provider that you do. You can usually access your email account from any device that has a web browser. You can also install email apps on your desktop and mobile devices, so you can send and view email on the go. When you sign up for an email provider, you'll create a password so others won't be able to access your mail. Email makes it easy for us to communicate online by sending and receiving mail using the internet.